Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
Yeah, so guys, craving akara this morning. So I'm going there to buy akara and akamu. But if the lady, because throughout this week I've actually been passing towards that area, and I realized that she does not open, or she has not been open. I think she traveled or something. So I'm hoping she's back now. If she's back, then I'm going to buy. But the problem is there's usually crowd there. If you want to buy that akara, you have to go as early as 7 o'clock. Once you go by 8, 9, just know that you might not get, even after waiting the whole day, you might not get. She closes by 10. So this is around 8:42, and I'm just praying and hoping that she still has akara in stock. So she doesn't fry and keep, because there's always someone to take. So I just pray she still has some that she's still frying that I can buy. Then if she doesn't have, that means we have to go to Market Square and get bread.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn,
Oh, I don't even know when in this our country they will allow us film. Like, I was trying to film inside. Like, I don't want to get copyrighted. I was trying to film inside, and they told me, "I'm sorry, we can't film." They didn't even say I'm sorry. The lady just walked up to me and told me, "No phones allowed." You already took my bag outside, and now you want to take my phone from me? Like, seriously, with my phone, my picture or my video, take the object from your shelf. Anyway guys, I'm done here, so I'm heading home. I'll catch up with you guys maybe at home or later. But I got bread. I got 3 because the full house, and my kids like to snack on this bread too, so I just got 3 instead of the usual 2 that I would have gotten. I don't like to buy it in excess, because if you buy too much, then you have to store it in the fridge. And why should I store it in the fridge? And I can always just run down here and get bread fresh and hot. I like it when it's hot, so hence I get just 2 sometimes 3. So today I got 3 because, as I said, it's full house. I also got some detergent and stuff that I need for the house. So yeah, I'm heading home now. I'll catch up with you guys.
be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. Cause I think
So I came to the market close by to get fresh tomatoes and pepper. Then I'll be making egg sauce and fried plantain. Good morning, you guys. I have plantain at home, ripe plantain from my farm, and I have basically everything at home. So it's even way cheaper for me. Let me wind up. It's way cheaper for me to make the egg sauce and fried plantain. Not less stress, more work, but way cheaper. So I'll just do that. I just got fresh tomatoes. I have eggs that I got from my farm. Funny enough, my chickens have been laying eggs, which is strange because we've had these chickens close to 2 years, guys. This particular species, which is the Noella and the cockerel, and they've not been laying, even if I know that Noella is a mixture of both cockerel and we have native among them. We have couple of different type of chickens or birds among them, but they've not been laying egg. And the one my husband took to the village, the one that lives my mother-in-law in the village, that one lays egg, okay, but the one we have here doesn't lay. And it was becoming concerning. Like I was like concerned, why is this not laying, or is it laying and maybe it's laying in the bush? But funny enough, since we started putting so much interest on why this fowl or chicken or bird has not been laying egg, they started laying egg, and now we have more than enough eggs in the house. Like we have eggs every time you go to feed them, there's egg for you. So I'm grateful. I'll be using some of that egg to make my egg sauce this morning that will have with fried plantain, and probably there's pap. So I already have pap that I usually buy for baby Renee. We can have that, or we can just have it with tea because it's kind of chilly this morning. It's rained, everywhere is looking cold and damp, so we might just have hot tea and egg sauce and fried plantain. So enough rambling. I'll talk to you guys once I get home. Hopefully I show you guys what I'm doing. I don't get it. Who you waiting for? Sim,